Hello, class 3. Once again, I came back to you to study a new lesson and enjoy our learning time together. So today, we will study on the class book first. Please open your class books and move to page 82. Okay? Here we have this song. The title is Our Town Has a History. Our town has a history. So what will we do with this song? First, I'm going to play the audio for you. You must listen to this song and you have to try to sing during listening. Then please take out your notebooks and rewrite this song on your notebooks as we did previously when we were at school. You know why? Because as much as you write, okay, you can improve your handwriting and your spelling too. And also you can identify the words in a good way. Okay, so it is better for you as much as you can try to write. So now let's listen to the song together. Let me play it.
Listening 90. Listen and sing. Our town has a history.
Our town has a history. It's very old, you know. Here's a picture of our town 200 years ago. There weren't any buses then, and there weren't any trains. There weren't any motorbikes, and there weren't any planes. There were shops and markets then, and there were hotels too. There were parks and theatres. There was a lot to do.
Dear students, now I would like to read this song for you. Okay, and during writing, you can underline there weren't, there were, there wasn't, and there was. Okay, if you can see these words, you can underline them because this song it is about our previous lesson, which is we learned about there were, there weren't, there was, and there wasn't. So now let me read it for you. Our town has a history. Our town has a history. It is very old, you know. Here's a picture of our town 200 years ago. There weren't any buses then, and there weren't any trains. There weren't any motorbikes, and there weren't any planes. There were shops and markets then, and there were hotels too. There were parks and theaters. There was a lot to do. And now we will move to study lesson 4, which is about phonics. Now move to page 83. We have lesson 4, phonics, you see? And today we will learn about long vowel E. Long vowel E, okay? Let us see how can we recognize this sound, how can we identify this sound in the words, or in which way we can make this sound. Okay, here we have EA and double E, and we have Y. It means these sounds or these letters together, they can give us long vowel E sound. But before that, I have a song and I would like to show you. So now let's listen to the song and enjoy it. Okay?
Long vowel E. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. jeep, feet, read, bee, leaf, seat, tea, pea.
My dear students, please pay attention because right now I'm going to explain for you how can we recognize or how can we identify the sound in the words. We have long vowel sound E. As you know, E is one of the vowel sounds. So how can we get long sound E? Okay. Here we have the three ways, or you can get the sound in these three ways. First one. We have these two words, ice cream and dream. So if we have E, which is followed by A, E, which is followed by A. As you know, E and A, both of them, there are vowel sounds. So when they come with each other in a word together, okay, they can give you, they will become like one sound, and together they can give you long vowel sound E. It means it will be long. You can pronounce in a long way. How? In Kurdish also we have this sound. Ice cream. It's like ye in Kurdish. So dream. You can't say dream. Okay? You have to pronounce in this way because there's long vowel sound E. There's long E. So it will be ice cream and dream. Can you feel it? Can you feel the sound? Ice cream, dream. So, if we have E, which is followed by A, at this time, it can give you long vowel sound E. Second way, if we have double E together at this time, it means this word, in this word, there's long vowel E sound. Like queen and green. Can you feel it? Queen, green. So this E will be long. You have to pronounce in this way. Queen, green. You have to make it longer. Queen, green. Okay? Another way, look at these two examples. We have jelly and happy. Here in this word we have E. Right? But you are wrong. This E, it can't give us long vowel sound E. Why? Because it's not followed by A and it's only single A. It's not single E, sorry, it's not double E. So, which letter can give us long vowel sound E? This Y. So, if we have a word which ends with Y, at this time Y, it can give you long sound E. Basha? Okay, Guliman. So, like jelly, happy, pay, stay. Okay? For another example for this way, like been, seen, you see? So jelly and happy, this Y can give you long vowel sound E. It will be like long E in Kurdish. We have long E in Kurdish language as well. So ice cream, dream, queen, green, jelly, happy. Okay? In these words you can fill, you can find long. Now, dear students, let's practice with this exercise. Here it says, listen and chant. We have this chant, we have this short song. We must read it, then we should draw a circle around those words which we can fill, or we can get long vowel sound E. So, in my dream, so dream, because we have EA, I am a queen, queen, queen. So, this word queen, because we have double E. So, when we have double E, and it will be long vowel E. I eat green jelly. So green, it's like queen, you see, we have double E. And jelly, which ends with Y. So at this time, Y can give you this sound. With ice cream, cream, cream. Okay? I am very happy. So very and happy. Can you feel? Very happy. In my dream, dream, dream. So dream and cream, they're like each other. There's EA. Happy and very, we have Y at the end. And green and queen, because we have double E, so that's why we draw a triangle around these words. Now we have one more exercise which says, read the chant again, circle the word with EA, double E and Y. Write the word in the correct boxes. here we have 3 boxes. Okay, we have E, A, double E, and Y. You must recognize, okay, the word, and you have to put it in the right box. Here we have tree. So in which way can give us long vowel sound E? So because we have double E in this word, so it's written here. Number 2, or second word, we have teacher. Teacher. Can you feel this long vowel sound E? It will be T. Teacher. So that's why I put it here. Family, it ends with Y. Funny, also it ends with Y. So this Y, it will be long. Week, okay, here, because we have double E. Sheep, also we have double E. Eat, okay, because we have EA. Please, and also we have EA. And last one, we have lolly, because we have Y. That's why I put it here. So try to do it at home, as I did. And now, let me give you your homework on the workbook. Joanna Kanem, please now move to page 83 on the workbook. 83 on the workbook, because we have some exercises and they will be your homework. Okay, lesson 4, phonics, which is about phonics. And here we have some exercises. You must do them by yourself. First exercise says, look at the words with EA, double E, and Y. Circle the odd one out, then write these words with the correct pictures. It means, here we have 3 words next to each other, but one of them is odd. What does mean odd? Look at this example. We have green, week, dream. If you look at them carefully, green and week, you can see or you can find there's double E, green and week. It means double E could give us long vowel sound E. But in this word dream is different. Okay, it's not like them. We have EA, so this one is the odd one. And you have to do the rest in this way. And then come down, try to write down the correct word under the pictures. Here we have these pictures. You must bring the correct word and write it down, please. After that, we have this exercise, which is about the chant or the song that we learned before. So we have queen, happy, green, dream, jelly, and ice cream. You must return the words into the spaces. And at this time, you can use your class book as well. After that, we have this exercise. We have 5 pictures. Okay, look at first example. My mom is sitting under a tree. Okay, where's your mom? She's under the tree. So you have to write down word tree, and there's double E in it. It means there's long vowel sound E. And do the rest in this way, please. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please stay safe at home. Have a nice time. Bye bye.